Hi guys, my name is Ifeda and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys, sharing with you products that I've been using recently, products I got recently and I've been using. I'm sharing my thoughts about them, like mini reviews on products I've been using of late, whether I like them or not. Before we get into the video, have you tapped the subscribe button? I'm waiting. Okay, I think you have. Okay, so I hope you've subscribed to my channel already. I hope you follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. I'm Amakeupjunkie _ on Instagram and Twitter, and Ifedaobalo12 on Snapchat. I'll leave everything about my social media channels on the screen upward here. I think it's here. So before we get into the video, thank you very much for the feedback on my previous video. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on these products I've been using of late. There are actually quite a number of them. Yes, so all these products, I've used a few of them in my previous video and I've talked about some of them briefly, and I've even reviewed some of them on the blog. But I thought I would come here and just give a video that's, in totality of it, a wholesome video, so to speak. If you like this kind of videos, please leave a comment in the comment section below so that I can create more videos like this, videos where you can get mini reviews of so many products in one short video. You're wondering about this look on my face. It's a shimmer eyeshadow makeup challenge. But I'm going to be obviously posting pictures on Instagram, and I'm going to be putting up the products I used to create this look, so watch out for that. By the time this video is up, I think that's Instagram post to be up to, just in case you're first product I'll be sharing with you guys is this La Roche-Posay purifying foaming gel cleanser for oily sensitive skin. I'm moving away from alcohol-based cleansers that make your skin feel stripped and give your skin that I just clean my face feeling, to gentler cleansers and cleansers that are more targeted towards sensitive skin. I got this one because La Roche-Posay actually deals with they create products specifically targeted for sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin, but I think that's a great thing, because they're sure that you're not going to react to any of their products. So I got their foaming gel cleanser for oily skin, and it is amazing. It foams up nicely, it cleans up well, it has a nice lather, and your skin doesn't feel stripped of its oils after you use it. It leaves your skin feeling matte, not dry, if you get what I mean. The next product I'll be talking about, I'll be sharing with you guys, is a skincare / makeup kind of product, and it's from DCM, the brand that creates The Ordinary, and it's the Hylamide Matte Full Finisher. It's also a primer, and I discovered this primer on Beauty Frenzy blog. It says it's a 12-hour visible oil blocker and pore vanisher. Yes, it's a pore vanisher. It is so good with pores. I think people who have problems with their pores would really like this, because when you apply it just sort of blurs the skin. The problem I have with this primer is that it doesn't exactly make my fine lines go away, so I don't feel like it reduces the appearance of my fine lines. It does reduce the appearance of pores, but I don't think it does anything remarkable with my fine lines. That's just what I think. About its mattifying properties, it's a good mattifying primer. If you have oily skin, very oily skin, it will work okay for you. Yeah, you can try the powder on top of your primer step to make your foundation stay longer. But if you have combination skin, you really like. If you also have dry skin or normal skin, you will like this product a lot. It's really good. It's a good primer. It helps your makeup stay all day, and it's a comfortable primer, and it's not one of those dry mattifying primers. It's not like Becca. It's not like the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Perfecting primer. It's not like that primer. The third product I'll be talking about is this Nivea Essentially Enriched Body Lotion. Oh my god. So I first discovered this product on Desi Perkins. She's a YouTuber. She's an awesome YouTuber here on YouTube, and she was raving about her glow product and how this product is so good for, especially when you're doing flash photography, how it creates this beautiful shine on your skin, hydrates your skin, moisturizes your skin. I watched I Love Said He, and that's Karen. I watched her video too, and she mentioned it, when I knew that I had to get it. So this cream or this lotion, it contains almond oil and it gives you very smooth skin. The irony about my skin is that my face here, so here, this part of my face is normal to combination. The middle of my face is combination to oily, and my whole body is dry. It's on some days I actually have scaly skin, which is just not sexy. Yes, I know that. So this lotion has really helped, even on my driest days when I apply it to my legs, because sometimes I do apply it to my whole body because Lagos can be really hot. Thanks for asking. But I apply it on my legs when I'm in skirts or dresses, and I haven't found it in any stores in Lagos just yet. If you've found it in any stores in Lagos, please leave a comment in the comment section below, because I had to order this on Amazon. The next product I'll be talking about is this Dove Derma Spa Uplifted Satin Smooth Body Oil. It's like an alternative to baby oil, pears and cousins and all those other baby oils, without being tacky. So it says that it's our spa-like treatment with cell moisturizers that gives your skin improved elasticity and firmness. I can't really say I've noticed that yet. I haven't used it for up to a month to notice if I have increased elasticity and firmness, but I will surely try that out, and if it does, I'll leave a review on my blog. But I can tell you that for making your skin feel good, it makes your skin feel so good, and it makes your skin, gives your skin a subtle glow, and it smells amazing. So when they say spa, it's a spa-like experience. It is a spa-like experience. The next product I'll be talking about is this Melanie Mills Hollywood Gleam Body Radiance in Rose Gold. Everybody, their mothers, sisters, grandmothers, brothers, fathers and grandfathers have used these products. I felt like I was like missing out on something. Like everybody has used this product. I haven't used it. It's a great buy. I think it's a fantastic buy for makeup artists. I think if you want your clients to have an extra glow, you can apply this on top of their lotion, on top of their, or with oil, to make their skin glow really well. I also think it's also a nice product to apply on your face. When on your no makeup days, it gives you this nice iridescent glow. I did it once and I looked just, you know, glowy, but someone's like, do you have makeup on? Do you not have makeup on? That kind of a thing. Under makeup, it also wears well, but I think that the effects are not as pronounced as when you use them on bare skin. That's what I think. And this comes in about 6 shades. I think I got the shade Rose Gold, and it's really amazing. And I think the shades are generally universal, so they can work for any skin tone. But you should get this, actually, if you've been thinking of whether to get this or not. Yeah, join me, get it. Another product I'll be talking about in this video, this Nuban Beauty Sponge. I don't think anyone who watches my video is a stranger to the Nuban Beauty Sponge. So I have, sorry, this one is dirty. I have this one. So this one is the normal black one, and I have this one. I recently got this one. This is their Christmas edition, and this one, as opposed to this one, which is egg shaped, this one has the cuts, so it's half egg. I really like their sponges. I really like their sponges. I think they're they're great sponges for the price. I think that they blend out seamlessly. This Christmas edition is really pretty. I know I'm saying really, but it is worth the hype. If you were thinking of buying a sponge, buy this one. It's 2,000 naira. The last product I'll be talking about is not a product. It's not the first time I'm buying this product. It's not the first time I'm using it. I've hit span on one, and I bought another one. So if you guys have watched my channel for some time, you notice I've been using the Glams 2-way cake. So that powder fell down one unfortunate morning. I was on call and doing my makeup after my call, and it fell. Yeah, that was just a minute of silence for that powder. So I had to go out that same day and buy a new powder. I was turning between rebuying the Glams 2-way cake, buying this Maybelline Clear and Smooth powder, and buying the Iman, I can't remember which one it is, one of the Iman powders, which Dimal May recommended on her YouTube channel, 5 powders, certain powders for oily skin, but I decided to go with this one because this one's actually the most affordable. Yeah, cheapskate. My shade is in the shade caramel, and I really like this powder. I prefer it to the Glams 2-Way Cake, to be honest. In retrospect, using both of them, I've used this, then I used that, and I used this again. I prefer this to the 2-Way Cake, to the 2-Way Cake, to Glams 2-Way Cake. It's a really nice powder, but it contains really little product, which is okay for the price. It's $2.5. I mean, it comes with a mirror. It has a powder puff here for applying it for touch-ups. I think it's only available in some countries, not on the Maybelline site, but you can buy it at many stores around you if you live in Lagos. I am sure of that. That brings me to the end of this video. If there was anything you wanted me to add that I didn't, you can always leave your question in the description box below. I'll be sure to, in the comment section below, I'll be sure to answer all your questions. If you want me to create this kind of videos, please leave a comment in the comment section below, or give this video a thumbs up so that I can create more of this kind of videos. I wanted to come on here and ask you guys if you guys would mind. So okay, I think I should start by saying that I'm a licensed doctor. I'm a licensed practicing doctor in Nigeria. So I think I should just put that's on one side and just say that first if I go on to give this information. And I don't know if I was going to come on here and ask if you guys would like to see makeup tutorials where I talk about health issues, common health issues. I could do voiceovers, I would prefer to do voiceovers really, where I would be talking to you guys, doing my makeup. I will leave the products on the screen, and at the same time I'll be giving important information about health issues and how to combat the mental health issues, hypertension, diabetes, female genital health, anything you guys want. I'll be ready to give you that kind of information, but with a makeup tutorial. If you'd like that, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I've been thinking about it of late, but I keep on saying, oh, I'll do it. Well, I think you guys should make a decision. If you'd like those kind of videos, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I would love to create those kind of videos for you, because that is what I do. That is my day job, and that is the course I studied in university. So it'd be nice to come on here and just give you guys tidbits on those kind of issues. Good physical, mental and emotional health, psychological health is priceless, to be honest, and I would love to discuss it with you. If you guys would like this kind of videos, I could do them as single on videos where it is. I would prefer to do them with makeup videos because I am a beauty blogger, but if you guys would like one-off videos, just leave a comment in the comment section below how you would like those videos to come, if you would want them, and how you would like those videos, in what form you would like those videos to come. Thank you guys for watching again. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I really love you guys. I appreciate you all on my blog, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, everywhere. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.